Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here we will share the details for the Steam error code E503L1. The error reads, "Something went wrong." As per our research, this error may come at any part of the Steam, such as while accessing the Steam store, while adding funds to the wallet, or while doing other things on the Steam. Our research suggests that this is a server-side problem, and it has nothing to do with the users. Now, if you're seeing this error code, the first thing to do is to reload Steam and check if the error persists. If it does, your next move is to check the Steam server status. You can do this by visiting steamstat.us. If the servers are down, it's a waiting game. Be patient and try using Steam once the servers are back up. But what if the servers are up and running? Well, in this case, shut down your PC and internet for a few minutes, then restart them. Once your system is back up, relaunch Steam and check for the error. It's also possible that there might be pending updates for your Steam, so do check for these, and if any are found, install them. However, if your Steam is updated and the error still persists, it could mean there's a glitch in the Steam system that steamstat.us couldn't detect. In such a scenario, it's best to wait it out for a few hours or even a day before checking again. And if all else fails, and the error persists, reach out to the Steam support team to report the problem. So in a nutshell, when faced with the Steam error code E503L1, remember these steps. Reload, check server status, restart your system, update Steam, and when necessary, contact support. Remember, it's not about you, it's a server-side problem, so stay calm, carry out these steps, and you'll be back on Steam in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.